Welcome to Drive with Care. In this video we're going to look at motorway driving and dual carriageway driving. Now just because I'm talking to camera and talking to you doesn't mean I shouldn't be looking and being aware. Okay, it's all about hazard perception, motorway driving. We've got a national speed limit of 70 miles an hour, especially here in the UK. So we just have to keep our wits about you. Now, highway code 264, keep left unless overtaking. One of my pet hates people who sit in the middle lane. I say middle lane, it's lane 2. Lane 1, 2, 3, potentially 4, potentially 5. But you should always keep left unless overtaking. So I'm going to take us on this dual carriageway down to Dover. And we'll just see what we see. I need to pass this truck, but there's a car coming on my right. Once he's gone, I'll indicate that I'm moving out. All clear behind me. Okay, so we've got a couple of trucks, 3 trucks in fact. Keeping aware that any one of them might pull out. 2 cars behind me, keeping their distance. One on the inside, one on the outside. Now remember the 3 golden rules, as per Lawrence Nathan. There's an invisible car behind me, and he's watching for my indicators, watching for my intentions. The car in front has a poster saying, "I can stop, can you?" Or "I'm going to stop, can you?" And the third one, "Everyone on the road is mentally deficient." Not my words, but Lawrence Nathan's words. Okay, what's happening up ahead? Trucks coming into my lane, and quite rightly too, the left-hand lane is going to veer off into Cheriton. I need to pass, so I'll indicate. Move out into my lane. What am I going to do when I pass him? I'm going to move back into the inside lane. However, lane 1 is moving off into Cheriton, and I don't want to go to Cheriton. I want to go straight on, so I'll stay in this lane. So far, so good. Dover, A20. So the M20, the motorway is going to finish in just a few, maybe a mile or so, and it becomes the A20, but it's still a dual carriageway, which means we can still do 70 miles an hour. I'm doing about 66 at the moment. Suits me fine because petrol prices are high and I don't want to burn my fuel. Keeping a constant view in my mirrors just to make sure no one's too close. It's all clear. Now I've got a slip road approaching. There may be cars coming off the slip road and I might have to give way. I'm going to move out just in case that happens, anticipating that someone will want to come in. Increase my speed to 70. Yep, that car's coming in. All good. The car behind is keeping his distance. I'm not coming off at this junction, but I am going to slip back into the lane. There's no point hogging this lane. I could argue that the cars in front could pull in, however, they are approaching that truck. I thought it was a tractor, looks like some kind of crane. What am I anticipating here? That someone might decide to slip into my lane too early without indicating, but they're doing all right. Right, I want to get past these slow-moving vehicles, indicate out, check my mirrors and my blind spot. There are cars coming on, off the slip road. The large truck has pulled out. No, he's pulling back in. It's cool. The tipper truck is taking... Oh, he's pulling back out again. Couldn't make his mind up. distance in case something happens. We're going nowhere fast here. We're stuck on a dual carriageway now with an 18-wheeler crawling at 2 miles an hour faster than the cars. Okay, he's pulled in. That gives us scope to increase our speed, as are the cars in front. There's a lot of military exercises going on, a lot of military vehicles. National speed limit applies, 70 miles an hour, no stopping at any time. Another slip road, could be a car coming off, but there isn't. So I think this is going to be pretty much the journey down to Dover. There's quite a lot of traffic on the road, so I have to keep my wits about me.
Much later.
Okay, vehicles behind me now. One's passing. Keep an eye out for that one in case he veers into my lane too quickly. Other one's passing me now. Entering a 40 mile an hour zone. Time to apply those brakes, people. Remember, we share the roads with other users. We have to think for them. I'm considering my driving conditions. What are they going to do? And I think the premise there is, like at a junction, just because I can see them, it doesn't mean they can't see me or can see me. So nothing coming to my right. I can slide onto the roundabout. I'm taking the second exit, so I need to indicate off. These vehicles didn't indicate off. Oh, 3, a truck, a pickup and a car didn't indicate. So what does that mean to the cars going on the roundabout? They didn't know what anyone was doing. You're supposed to indicate off a roundabout. Okay, so I'm assuming all these vehicles are going to go straight across the roundabout. Will they indicate off once they're on the roundabout? Highly unlikely, because they all think it's just a straight road. But a roundabout is a junction. Nothing coming to my right. I can go on. No indication from the truck. Oh, the pickup indicated right, because he wants to overtake the truck, but he was actually on the roundabout. Anyone coming onto the roundabout could have thought he was going right. That's a raspberry from me. Or should I do like in The Voice? That's a no from me. Big red X. Traffic lights, all green. Pedestrian crossing, all green. One car behind me, in my lane. There are barriers, so I can't anticipate pedestrians crossing onto the road, so that's good. Traffic lights are red up ahead. Okay, I think what we'll do, we'll stop the video there. Drop me a comment if you saw things I didn't see, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.